Hi, this is a small brother and this is a big one. I will do some tests. It's a 5 kg payload. I will show you. This is a free fly connector. It's easy to take it off and take it on a drone. For AltaX drone. This is a universal joint, and when you're flying drone with a huge pole, you will receive this pendulum effect, and the weight it's 5 kg, so it's waving a lot of time and drone trying to stabilize it. But this solution will help stabilize the drone. Just turn it on, and now if we push it, and it stabilizes it, as you can see. Again, stabilizing. When I turn it off, in the same way, it will sway a lot of time. But when we turn on it again, it stabilizes. For using these motors, I realized that 5 kg is not enough for this motor. This motor not enough for 5 kg payload. I can build 8 motors, and it will handle easy. It will stop immediately here, but now, as you can see, a little bit swaying. If I put here maybe 2-3 kg, it will stop here. Okay, 6S battery, just test it. If you need to do some special for your VR project, contact me. Bye.